Yeah, so I'm out today. Just water is down a bit, as you can see, after they released the dam. So the water did rise a bit. Apparently half a meter, but probably didn't rise that much meter. But as you can see, people actually put their cars in the middle to save it, because if you on this side, as you can see, that car probably nearly drowned. People actually put their cars in the middle to save their cars. But as you can see, it's all the houses there. It's all freaking underwater. As you can see, it's everything inside. The water's inside the houses. I'm walking, there's no one on the road. People are scared from. Look at this inside. Just look at that. This inside is all water. There's all water in there as well. Water inside here. Water everywhere. Luckily these guys, they didn't, in the back, they didn't affect the water there. But definitely water. Look at the water on the other side there. Water everywhere. Even look, just backyard. This guy's got a boat, but it looks like he's not using it. So as you can see, cars all parked in the middle of the road. Look at this, man. Bloody, from the rain, it's going to cause a lot of, once that water drains somewhere, it's going to cause a lot of Jesus, it's becoming a bit windy. It's going to cause a lot of dirt to clean up, all muddy from the river and all that stuff. So look at this. It's a lot better now than before, but still extremely. Still look at this, the bag there, as you can see. There, look at this bag there, stopping the water from going in. Just I'm walking towards closer to like that river there, so it's maybe more water. Maybe at night, maybe it was water everywhere here, but it seemed like the car's safe. So cars put in the middle, it's not too bad. You can hear generators. There's no power. It's been no power since yesterday. So for a lot of areas, I don't know. One of them is railway estates, and other suburbs close by. Apparently for safety, water goes inside and you may get electrocuted and stuff. So they shut it off. So you can see here, there's a lot of water there. So as you can see, yeah, there's a lot everywhere. Bird, not bad, flying there back. Trying to find another shelter before the dark. It's about 3:30 now. People are scared from crocodiles, you don't want to walk in the deep water. You don't know. They found crocs. I don't know about snakes. I heard crab and crocs. I don't know if this is a generator there, but what if, I'm not sure. Where this is, this is a mountain, so you can see the mountain. It's got the hill. See there? Yeah, the hill's clouds still there. Maybe there's a lot of rain to come. But yeah, it's as you can see, it's all water everywhere. No people scared. So as you can see here, water everywhere. Water everywhere. Water everywhere. Look at that, Jesus. Jesus Christ, look at this. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. That's a lot of water here. Oh God. Oh God, that house is dropped. The house is there. Got there big time. Look, man, it's just God, a lot of water, man. Jesus. Look at that. Look at that there. Water moving. Water moving. Water going somewhere. Going back to the river, maybe. I don't know. As you can see, people, water moving that way. Water. I reckon that's last night, probably water everywhere. But now it's not rising anymore, so goodness me, look at that. It's an empty, it's a ghost town. There's no people. Anyway, the water's coming that way. So technically, yesterday was the water heading. See, as you can see, water's moving. Maybe this is, would be, look at this, man. The road is covered with water. You can see that. That's actually the house is on the water. Just like it. Look, I can see it. Yeah, the water coming from that way. So, you can hear the water. Yeah. Look at that. The water here somewhere. Oh God, look at this house there. There's water there. It's all flooded there. Coconut. I don't know where that come from. Police, not today. Police here. I don't think so. Water. There you go, man. It's all flooded there, eh?
Yeah, I just came from there with a car, drove all the way around.
Jesus.
No, I'm not coming back here again.
That's like drag, that's bloody, the water's just hitting somewhere, eh? Back to the river or something, is it?
Exactly, it's just crazy, eh? I don't know. I think it's a dam because
They released it, they couldn't close it because of the hydraulic,
really?
yeah, because it has to go like a lower level. It's not strong enough to close it. So they'll let it go.
That makes sense.
It's going to be, I reckon 11 AM, they open it fully.
What, this morning?
Yeah, 11 AM till midnight tonight. Yeah.
Oh shit, thanks for that. I'll look that up, mate. Oh, good luck.
What the hell is that? Some lemon. It's a bit weird. I don't know. So, yeah. Water everywhere. Look. The water coming from there and heading down somewhere, and some water goes that back. And look at this, man. Look at this. Jesus Christ. Hard out. Look at this. This guy's walking. A ghost town. Fine. Man, I know what I do if I see crocodiles. I know it's like some sand here. Well, it looks like it's lucky the water didn't come out. Looks like I can't. Can I go from here? Some aircraft somewhere. No helicopters. Let me just shut that because it's not raining anymore, so it's just my umbrella. Yep. So here you go. So back. So this looks like still safe, but drain a bit. Yeah. Helicopters there, cruising around. Some people talking in the back. I don't know. Oh, here. Yeah, so people walking around a bit. Shit, that car just looks like a bit round a bit here. Off the middle of the water there. of water coming out from here. Yesterday I reckon everything was blocked here. Water at the road, so technically saying you're not going there. That's like halfway. A lot of water. The water going somewhere, but there's a lot of water pumping out, so they're still releasing water from the dam. So g'day man, how you going? Yeah, so as you can see, the mountain still, it's got clouds over. There's a lot more rain to come. This guy's checking his house, looks like that. If any water inside. It's cool walking. Look at this. The mountain's there. That's the mountain. There's a mountain here. Oh, the clouds still really low. So the water just heading this way, looks like that. Water going. This car, I saw this car just being here forever. I'm gonna use it for coffee. Look at this. So just water. I don't know if I need to walk over that. But I think so. Crocodiles can come so here. Should be fine. Not sure what's in there. Yeah, it's gotta watch out, man. It's fucking passing by here. It's scary. I don't know how deep that one is. It's deep, but let's do it. Let's try. Helicopter. Oh my god, that's blocked, man. It's like helicopters there. I don't know, is it police or I don't know, who knows. Anyway, that's happening. That's the river here, so the river flooded. I think this is scary here. Probably you may get crocodiles in there. Fucking who knows. That's the scary here, especially this part. Full of fucking who knows. Look at this, man. The river is overflow for sure. Oh, that's the river. Jesus, the river is overflow, man. Look at that. That's actually cut, completely cut. Because the river is overflow. Oh my god, you wonder, you may get crocodiles easy from out of here, man. You know, if they swim that way. Definitely, look, that's the river. The river is definitely overflow the road, you know. That's the river there. Yeah. You don't want to go that way, man. I tell you, so scary. Heading that way for sure. It's not the way to go. Easy go, sure. Alright, I gotta switch it off now.